Hello guys, welcome back to the channel SaaS Based Pro. Today we are going to show you how to make your audio sound better and more professional using Audacity. First, open Audacity and record your audio. I already have recorded clip, so let's start improving it. But before we begin, let's listen to how to currently sound. Now let's move on the settings. Select the audio track by double clicking it or press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Then go to Effect, select EQ and Filters and choose Filter Curve EQ. Click on Presets and Settings, hover over Factory Preset, select Bass Boost and click Apply. Next, go back to the effect again, select EQ and Filter and open Filter Curve EQ again. Click on Preset and Settings, hover over Factory Preset, select Treble Boost and click Apply. Open Filter Curve Q once more. From Factory Preset, select Low Roll Off for speech and click Apply. Finally, go to the effect, hover over Volume and Compression and select Compressor. Here are the settings I personally use. Threshold at -20 dB, ratio at 2.1, attack time at 0.2 seconds and release time at 1.0 seconds. I also keep the compress based on peaks option check at the bottom. Once everything is set, click Apply to process the audio, and that's it. We're all done. Let's listen the audio one more time. As we can hear, it sounds much clearer and more polished than before. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thanks for watching.